Good morning and welcome to the lecture session. In this video, I am going to explain about the unit step function 2. Earlier, I have already explained about the unit step function and the problems. Now, some more problems will be explained in this video. First problem, f of t is sin t when t is varying between 0 to pi by 2, cos t when t is greater than pi by 2. And the formula is f of t is equals to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a, where a in this problem is pi by 2. Therefore, f of t is equals to sin t, which is f1 of t, plus f2 minus f1, that is cos t minus sin t into u of t minus pi by 2. Therefore, applying the Laplace transform on both the sides, we get L of f of t is equals to L of sin t plus L of cos t minus sin t into u of t minus pi by 2, and L of f of t is 1 upon s squared plus 1, which is L of sin t, plus this we have to do it, that is L of cos t minus sin t into u of t minus pi by 2. Okay, so if L of f of t is f of s, then L of f of t minus u of t minus a is e power minus s into as into f of s. Now, a here is pi by 2 and f of t minus pi by 2 will be cos t minus sin t. This is the function. Therefore, we will put t as t plus pi by 2 and f of t will become cos of t plus pi by 2 minus sin of t plus pi by 2. When we take the quadrant, we know that ASTC rule, all will be positive, sine will be positive, sine and cosecant will be positive, tan and cotangent, and then cos and secant will be positive. So when I take cos of t plus pi by 2, what happens? Cos will be pi by 2 plus something will be in the second quadrant, this quadrant, and t plus pi by 2 will be negative here for cos. Whereas for sine it is positive, but it is already negative is there, and when pi by 2 is added, it will become cos theta or cos t. Okay, so we have cos of t plus pi by 2 is minus sin t, and sin of t plus pi by 2 is cos t, and therefore f of t is equals to minus sin t plus minus sin t minus cos t. Okay, and L of that will be minus L of sin t and minus L of cos t. We know that Laplace of sin t is given by minus 1 upon s squared plus 1, and Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s squared plus 1. Taking the LCM as s squared plus 1, we get minus of s plus 1 divided by s squared plus 1. Therefore, Laplace transform of cos t minus sin t into u of t minus pi by 2 is given by e power minus pi by 2s into s plus 1 divided by s squared plus 1. Finally, the answer L of f of t is given by 1 plus s squared plus 1 by s squared plus 1 minus e power minus pi s by 2 into s plus 1 by s squared plus 1. This is the final answer for the first problem. Let's go for the next problem. When the function is given as 1 when t is varying between 0 to 1, t when t is varying between 1 to 2, t square when t is greater than 2. So we have three functions, that is f1, f2 and f3. Like it can be compared, t less than a, it is f1. When t is varying between a and b, it is f2. When t is greater than b, it is f3. The formula says that f of t is f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a, and f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b, where a is 1 and b is 2 in this problem. So f1 of t is 1, f2 of t is t, f3 of t is t square. Therefore, 1 plus t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus t square plus t into u of t minus 2. So let us apply the Laplace transform on both the sides. Then L of f of t is given by L of 1 plus L of t minus 1 u of t minus 1 plus L of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. Okay, so L of 1 is given by 1 by s plus L of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 and L of t square minus t into u of t minus 2 we have to determine. And we know that L of f of t is equals to f of s, then L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is given by e power minus as into f of s. Now let us assume the second term, that is L of t minus 1 into u of t minus a, t minus 1. So a is 1 here, therefore f of t minus 1 is t minus 1. As t tends to t plus 1, f of t will be plus t. Now L of f of t is nothing but L of t, therefore f of s will be 1 upon s square. Now L of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 will be equals to e power minus s divided by s square, because minus 1 is there as our a. Next let us do the second term, that is L of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. Here a is equals to 2 and L of f of t minus 2 will be t square minus t. As t is t plus 2, so f of t will be t is replaced with t plus 2, therefore t plus 2 whole square minus t plus 2. That gives us t square plus 4t plus 4 minus t minus 2. On simplification we get t square plus 3t plus 2. Now apply the Laplace transform on either side, then we get L of t square plus 3L of t plus L of 2, which gives us 2 divided by s cube plus 3 divided by s square plus 2 divided by s. Therefore, L of t square minus t into u of t minus 2 will be equals to e to the power of minus 2s into the result, that is 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. Combining all the results, we get the final answer, that is L of f of t is 1 by s plus e power minus s by s square plus e power minus 2s by into 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. This is the final result for the second problem. Next problem, f of t is given by cos t when it is t is varying between 0 to pi, 1 when it is varying between pi to 2 pi, and sin t when it is greater than 2 pi. Here f1 is cos t, f2 is 1 and f3 is sin t. Okay, so let us write down the formula and we can name this. f1 is cos t, f2 is 1 and f3 is sin t. Okay, so f of t is cos t plus 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi, and where a is equals to pi and b is equals to 2 pi, that we have to remember. Now cos t plus 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi plus sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So L of f of t is equals to L of cos t plus L of 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi plus L of sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So cos t, we know that L of cos t is s divided by s square plus 1, whereas this function and this function we have to do it separately. So L of 1 minus cos t into t of 2 minus pi, where a minus pi, that is f of t minus pi is equals to 1 minus cos t. As t tends to t plus pi, we get f of t is equals to 1 minus cos of t plus pi. That gives us 1 plus cos t, because when I apply the ASTC rule, pi plus something, so it is already minus, minus of minus it will be plus. So we are getting 1 plus cos t. So apply the Laplace transform, then we will be getting f of s is 1 by s plus s divided by s squared plus 1. Next, L of 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi is equals to e power minus pi s into 1 by s plus s by s squared plus 1, and L of sin t minus 1 is u of t minus 2. A is equals to 2 pi. So f of t minus 2 pi is equals to sin t minus 1. As t tends to t plus 2 pi, so f of t is equals to sin of t plus 2 pi minus 1, that is sin t minus 1, because sin of t plus 2 pi means again it will come in the first quadrant, therefore we are getting only sin t. So L of f of t is L of sin t minus L of 1, that is 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. So therefore L of sin t minus 1 into u of sin t minus 2 pi is equals to e power minus 2 pi s into 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 upon s. So L of f of t, finally what we are getting is s divided by s square plus 1 plus e power minus pi s into 1 plus 1 by s plus s by s square plus 1 plus e power minus 2 pi s into 1 by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. This is the result we are getting. Thank you.